Here's a real nice example of a bee tree, a tree in which a colony of honeybees have made their home. And you can see it's hollow inside. This is just cut out to give you a visual. This is a fairly large diameter tree stump. Here's an example. Here's my hand to show you perspective, but inside here they've made their home right in the hollow of the tree, protected from bears and anything else that might be after their honey. But I just thought it was pretty neat, so I thought I'd do a quick little video of it. If you've ever seen anything like this out in the woods, be interested in reading your comments. But pretty neat.